Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. We are growing, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this 3-layer pocket. I made it with my kaftan right here and with the XOXO detail kaftan. It's on my channel, guys. If you want to see it, I will link it down below in the description box so you guys can go check it out. It's fabulous, it's amazing, beautiful, guys. And yes, I'm going to show you guys this 3-layered pockets like I said in this video. Let's just get into it. So guys, here's what we'll be needing. 2 different fabrics of your choice. I'm using XOXO and satin, measuring tape, scissors, pins, my quilting ruler, and fabric chalk. Now guys, for my pocket pieces, I have 3 of them that are going to look like this in the end. So the first piece is the biggest one, and I'm going to measure out 17 inches by 11 inches. Now for the smallest one, I'm going to measure out 9 inches by 5 inches. And for the third one, I'm going to measure out 13 inches by 9 inches. Now onto our pockets. So you're going to be folding it right sides facing each other and sewing it, because we're going to turn it inside out so that we'll have the right side outside. So you're going to just pin it and sew it down right there. So you're leaving the top open and sewing down the 2 sides. So here's what I have after sewing my pocket pieces. I'm just trimming the excess so that it won't give me any problem once I'm turning it inside out. So just like I'm doing right here, you're going to turn it inside out, then fold it in by ½ an inch on all the pieces, then place them on top of each other. So guys, the way it is right here, you're folding it on all the pieces. You know, you can even also iron it down and just pin it right there. So can you guys see? This is what it's going to look like in the end. So I'm going to sew it down at the top. Now we're going to work on our pocket placement. I want my pocket to start on my waistline. So to place your pocket, you're going to place it 2 inches from the edge and on the 16-inch mark, and then pin it right there. Guys, this is what it looks like. It's turned out perfect. Like, this is perfection right here. It's beautiful, it's amazing. I actually loved it so much that I've used it to make other projects. So like you can see in the African map kaftan right here. If you want yours, you can order yours on Instagram at Lara Savage Creations. It's beautiful, and you can order it in whatever length you want it. So guys, yes, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Help me get to my monetization threshold, guys, please. If you try it out as well, please tag me on Instagram at Lara Savage Creations. I'll be ready to showcase your work to all my growing followers. And until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon, or night, wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.